Well, first we shuffle it up and down randomly. Okay. The front face is the yellow one and the down face is the red one. Okay. First the yellow. Now the red. Now the blue. Now the orange. Orange. Now the green. And now the white. Now there is a yellow one missing here. Okay. I see you have filled all the buttons of the form. It seems to be that the cube is fully solved. Next, we are going to see the 135 needed movements. Okay. Front face counterclockwise. No. Yeah, this is the front face. Front face counterclockwise. Again, front face counterclockwise. Right face clockwise. Up face counterclockwise. Down face clockwise. Left face counterclockwise. Up face clockwise. Down face counterclockwise. Front face counterclockwise. Left face clockwise. Front face counterclockwise. Back face clockwise. See, back face clockwise. Back face clockwise. Down face counterclockwise. Front face clockwise. Down face clockwise. Up face counterclockwise. Right face clockwise, and again right face clockwise. Down face counterclockwise. Up face clockwise. Back face clockwise twice. 1 and 2. Left face clockwise. Front face clockwise. Up face clockwise. Up face clockwise. Front face counterclockwise. Back face clockwise. Left face counterclockwise. Back face counterclockwise. Up face clockwise. Back face counterclockwise. Down face counterclockwise. Right face clockwise. Down face clockwise. Up face counterclockwise. Back face, no. Up face counterclockwise. Back face counterclockwise. Left face counterclockwise. Right face clockwise. Down face counterclockwise. Left face clockwise. Right face counterclockwise. Back face clockwise. Down face clockwise. Up face counterclockwise. Left face counterclockwise. Down face counterclockwise. Up face clockwise. Down face counterclockwise. Up face clockwise. Right face counterclockwise. Down face clockwise. up face counterclockwise, down face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, down face counterclockwise, up face counterclockwise, back face clockwise, up face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, left face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise, right face counterclockwise, back face clockwise, right face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, down face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, down face counterclockwise, right face clockwise, down face counterclockwise, right face counterclockwise, down face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, left face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise, down face clockwise, left face counterclockwise, down face counterclockwise, back face clockwise, left face clockwise, up face counterclockwise, left face clockwise, up face clockwise, left face counterclockwise, back face counterclockwise, right face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, right face counterclockwise, up face clockwise, right face counterclockwise, up face counterclockwise, right face clockwise, left face clockwise, up face clockwise, back face clockwise, up face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise, back face clockwise, left face clockwise, back face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise, back face clockwise, left face clockwise, back face clockwise, 1 and 2 times, left face counterclockwise, back face counterclockwise, down face counterclockwise, right face clockwise, down face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise twice, 1 and 2, down face clockwise, right face counterclockwise, down face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise twice, 1 and 2, down face counterclockwise twice, 1 and 2, back face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise twice, 1 and 2, back face clockwise, down face clockwise, up face counterclockwise, left face counterclockwise twice, 1, 2, down face counterclockwise, up face clockwise, back face clockwise, left face counterclockwise twice, 1 and 2. Check if the whole cube has been already solved.